Welcome to Arya's Toys Review.
Oh, what are you showing, Arya? This doesn't look like toys to me.
These are connector pens.
Whoa, these are some connector pens. So they are like your sketch pens as well as toys, is it?
Yeah, they connect like this.
Wow, so these are Faber Castell connector pens. You got 10 in each packs, and today you got 2 packs, Arya.
Yeah.
My god, you got 2 packs of connector pens. See, we can sketch with them and we can connect them like this. That is awesome.
And if you join these two sets, it makes 20.
My god, this is almost looking like a wall. Make it stand. Oh, leave your hands. My god, it's standing all by itself. Wow, this is awesome. Okay, what do we do next in this?
We have double in each color.
Okay, so we have two colors. Wow, so since you got 2 sets, you got two pens for each of the color, Arya.
Yeah, there's dark blue and here is dark blue.
And what other colors have you got? Can you just tell us the colors?
Black, red, purple and green and brown and orange and yellow and dark blue and light blue and pink.
That's amazing. So what are you gonna do for us now?
Now I think I'm gonna build the basic one, a circle.
Ooh, this is looking like a well. Hello, is anybody in there? Oh, there's nobody. What more can you do for us?
In the last video we did this car
Yes.
with mechanics.
So if you haven't seen these mechanics video, guys, please go and watch the mechanics video. Oh my god, daddy broke it. I'm very sorry. So Arya will fix it for us. So this is a car which we totally built by ourselves. So we will fix it later, but you don't forget to go and watch this mechanics video. Now let's come back to our connector pens. Now you're done with the well. I think you should make a lengthy stick for us using your connector pens. Can it go from here till there?
I don't know it can go that much long.
Let's try it out. Let's start building a lengthy stick now.
That's a good idea. I'll build a long one.
Yes, you should do it. Oh wow, the wall is becoming a lengthy stick, guys. That's amazing. Arya, I think it will go the length that I told. Looks like this is gonna touch the wall, guys.
Yeah, I think that too.
My god, it's so lengthy.
I think it's gonna become longer than the wall.
Oh wow, these connector pens are nice, Arya.
Yeah, they're so awesome.
Look at that, guys. This stick is already grown so long.
We only have
We're only a little away from the wall. Is it gonna touch the wall or not? Who's gonna win? Arya or Daddy?
Nope.
Oh, I lost. Arya win.
But it's really fun. The wall is really fun.
My god, this is such a lengthy wall or lengthy stick. Can you lift it?
Chicken cat.
Oh! You broke it. Okay, stick it back again.
Okay.
Okay, now you move the other side, Arya. You move to the other side of the stick. Okay. Now keep one hand there, keep one hand here and lift it in both the hands. Ah, yes, like that. Ooh, that's a lengthy stick. Oh my god, you broke it again. That's such a cool stick, cool pen. My god, see, this is such a cool one. I'm liking it. Can you do anything else for us?
I think I should draw something.
Okay, draw something for us.
Dad,
You go and bring a paper. In the meanwhile, Dad will stick it and try to do something using this. You got so many pens. Oh my god.
Dad, I can't find a paper or a book.
I'll help you.
Yay! Don't forget to see these Faber Castell connector pens. You can get it anywhere.
This is nice, Arya. So now we've made a different shape. Now you know what this can become? Now
Yeah, it
this is
becomes
like a
long.
stretching line. Okay, keep pulling, keep pulling, keep pulling, keep pulling. See that? Careful, enough. That's it. See that? Such a small stick became a lengthy stick. Whoa, this is amazing. That's so nice.
Yeah.
Okay.
These are really awesome.
You liking it?
Yeah.
Good. Now let's do one thing. You go to that end and keep pushing the sketch pens against this wall, but be slow and don't
Daddy.
break it.
I'll make.
Go, push it, Arya. Push it from that end. But you have to be slow, okay? Don't push it very fast. Be slow, be slow. Yes. You're hitting the wall, yes. Now you watch this stick become small.
Yeah.
See that? Yes.
It became a shape like a flat S.
See that? Such a lengthy stick became so tiny. You want to watch it grow again?
Yeah.
Pull it back. See that? That's so nice. Okay. Say bye to your friends.
Bye. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more Arya Stars reviews. Bye.
Bye. So don't forget to check out these awesome sketch pens, guys. This is Faber Castell connector pens. See you.